Tropical Storm 03A has formed in the Indian Ocean with sustained winds of 40 miles per hour and a pressure of 1,005 millibars, expected to bring some substantial rain and wind impacts to portions of the Indian region, including the area of Barry within the next 24 hours or so. Tropical Storm 03A has sustained winds of 40 miles per hour and a pressure of 1,005 millibars, moving towards the west southwest at 17 miles per hour, and could actually intensify slightly before making landfall in Barry over the next several days, within about the next 24 hours, and quickly becoming a tropical depression over the landmass there of India, and will then be moving to the north and east of Ethiopia. Tropical storm warnings are in effect for Barry, as this is expected to be making landfall within the next 24 hours as a weak tropical storm with sustained winds anywhere from 45 to 50 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 65 to 70 miles per hour. You can see here on the digital Dvorak intensities, the storm has been gradually intensifying, and we actually do now have a curved band indicated on the Dvorak. So the storm is trying to intensify, kind of has that shrimp look this evening. Definitely a sign of an intensifying tropical cyclone as it is getting ready to impact the island, or not the island, but rather the landmass there of Barry and over portions just to the east of Ethiopia. The storm is situated in a very moist environment by the water vapor satellite, so not expecting any dry air intrusions to be a big factor. The storm is rapidly approaching land, but could intensify just a tad bit right before landfall. Upper ocean heat content values do remain relatively favorable for intensification throughout the next 24 hours or so before gradually tapering off over the landmass there, may even, in fact, try to reemerge over the Gulf of Aden in the next 72 hours and beyond. Tropical storm force winds extend out fairly far from the center. Well, not fairly far from the center, rather, at about only 25 nautical miles towards the northwest of the center for the 34 knot wind. The V maximum is roughly about 38 knots or nearing that 45 mile per hour range, and a pressure of 1,009 millibars, according to this data. So again, to recap, Tropical Storm 03A is expected to bring impacts to portions of Barry over the next several days. Gusty winds, heavy rainfall, all very big concerns.